Hey, I'm Astrid. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your store with Shopee and Lazada. So, what's so good about getting your store connected with Shopee and Lazada? Here are the benefits you can get. You can easily sync products from your Easy Store to Shopee and Lazada. No more double or triple job needed. Or simply bulk import products from Shopee and Lazada to your Easy Store. Then, the inventories of these products will be auto-updated between your store, Shopee, and Lazada. Your Shopee and Lazada orders will also be auto-synced back to Easy Store. Therefore, you can bulk fulfill and bulk print airway bill for your Shopee and Lazada orders from Easy Store. So, before you are able to enjoy all the automation and convenience above, you will first need to connect your store with Shopee and Lazada. To connect, go to your Easy Store admin panel, Channels, find Shopee or Lazada, click on it, and follow the steps to connect with your Shopee or Lazada account. Once connected, go to the Setting tab to finish the setup. First, choose if you wish to sync Shopee or Lazada orders back to your store. Be noted that you need to enable this option for system to auto-update Easy Store inventories when you receive new orders in Shopee or Lazada. Second, choose whether you want to sync products with inventory only or not. If this option is ticked, every time when you update product details in Easy Store, it will not affect the product details in Shopee and Lazada except for inventories update. Next, choose which Easy Store price you want to use for your Shopee and Lazada price. You can still adjust the price when you sync product to Shopee or Lazada later. Next, choose if you want to display Shopee or Lazada voucher and coins as discount or payment when the orders are synced back to Easy Store. If you choose discount, it will be counted as discount, while if you choose payment method, it will be calculated as profit in terms of accounting, because the discount is actually given by Shopee or Lazada but not yourself. Next, which is an important one, choose what happened to your Shopee and Lazada product when you delete the product in Easy Store. Do nothing is more recommended, because if you choose delete permanently, the product will be deleted in Shopee or Lazada and the action is irreversible. Lastly, for Shopee, you'll be able to check the shipping options that you have enabled for your Shopee orders. If you wish to change these shipping options, you can do that in your Shopee account, My Shop, My Shipping. Then click Save and you are done. Now you have done setting up Shopee and Lazada sales channels in your store. You can now start to sync products to or import products from your Shopee and Lazada accounts. I hope you find some value in this video. If you did, you may subscribe to this channel and click on the bell button if you want to, so you will get notified every time we release a new video. To check out the next video in this playlist to learn more about our Shopee and Lazada sales channels. And I'll see you there.